Hello guys, today I'll be unboxing the Panzera watch. This is the model Atlantic Dune. This is a diver watch. Now this is a box. I think it's a leather box maybe. Let's see if I can pull it out. Okay, there's the box. This looks like it's leather, but here's a watch. It comes with the manual. Okay, so in the picture the screw it's screw down, so screw in the manual, the box, and here's the watch. It's pretty cool. Got the tag. This is the automatic 20 ATM, 200 meter. Let me see if I can take this off. It's a stainless steel. It's a watch. The screw is pretty big, and this thing is big too. I'm gonna wind up. See, unscrew it, wind it up. There you go. The winding is smooth. It's not rough. Now it's moving. We'll adjust the time. Oh, this is the first one is the date, and the second one is the time, and I gotta figure out how to adjust the okay. The date is like French and English. So I turn this way to adjust the date, and this way to adjust the day. And you pull out one more to adjust the time. So I'm gonna screw it back down. There you go. So I got this on the Panzera website for a fair amount. A good deal, I consider. I'm going to try to put it on my wrist, see how it looks. Yeah, it's pretty big. It's a big watch. It's pretty thick too. This is 200 meter water resistant. The strap. Yes, I can take the strap out. Yeah. So here's a 20 ATM. Let me take this off. The back look nice. It's shiny. It got this sign too. The glass is sapphire, scratch resistant, very highly. I'm gonna take the screen protector off too. Yeah, it looks nice, but I think if you got big wrist, and it look better. My wrist is kind of small, but I still like it. I got the this is for the strap, I guess. You can replace the strap if you want to. There you go. Alright guys, that's it. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.